we bring that human touch back into CX? And there are 4 things, very practical things, simple things, actually, that you can do and take out of this session. The first one is to go beyond surveys and create feedback experiences. Second one, personalize every single interaction. That is not being done today, not at all. You go to a website, and we would all have the same, 99% of the websites, we would all have the same experiences, we would all be, launch the same surveys, et cetera, and that can be changed. Act now. The traditional process by which you would collect feedback, store it, then analyze it, and then maybe act on it, has completely changed. That is not valid any longer in the digital world. Digital means now, not zeros and ones. Digital means that you need to act immediately, because later it'll be too late. And then the last thing, if you do all of that right, 1, 2, 3, then and only then can you apply AI in a meaningful way to scale empathy. If you don't do 1, 2, 3, and you start, putting AI, you're just going to add more chaos to the existing one, all right?